Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, easy chimichanga into the air fryer. So it's a little bit healthier. So we are not going to deep fry, but we are going to air fry. And it's simple, easy recipe. Let's get started with the recipe. For stuffing with the pinto beans, I'm going to use zucchini, bell pepper and onions. But you can use whatever vegetables you have on hand. So here I'm taking a little bit of oil into this pan so we can make our stuffing. Once my oils get ready and hot, I am going to add minced garlic into this and sauteing about 4 to 5 seconds only. And now into this, I will be adding all my chopped vegetables, onions, zucchini and bell peppers. So vegetables, you can use whatever you have on hand. This is what I have, so I'm using it. And just a quick stir, and I will be adding salt so this cooks a little faster. Salt for the vegetables only. And now I'm going to cover it and let it cook until they are nice and soft. So as you can see, after a few minutes they're soft, and we'll be adding all the spice into it. So taco seasoning, chili flakes according to your preference, and I'm adding pinch of cumin powder and all my refried beans, pinto beans. So this is what I have on hand right now. Usually I mix black beans and pinto beans, but today I'm only adding pinto beans. And that's it. This is our stuffing is ready. Beans and vegetable mixture is ready. So let's move on to the next step, which is making our rice. So for that, here I have taken half tablespoon of olive oil. Into that I'm adding 1 cup of rice. These are not washed or soaked, they're just plain unsoaked rice. And now I'm just going to toast them with this oil. Make sure all the olive oil is coated on the rice. And now once it's all mixed, I'm going to add minced garlic and a little bit of chopped onion. So this is optional. If you don't like any vegetables into it, you can skip it, or you can also add bell pepper and onion or jalapenos, however your family prefers, you can make it. Now I'm just going to toast everything together until the rice change its texture, so it will become more like white instead of transfer rice. So I'll show you once it's ready. Our rice is ready. As you can see, it's like a thicker grain and has changed in the color, so it's ready. Now I will be adding all the seasoning. So taco seasoning, chili flakes, salt and water. So for 1 cup of rice, I will be adding total 2 cup of liquid, so that includes tomato sauce and water. And now I'm going to add half teaspoon of cumin powder and mix it, and let it come to a boil. As you can see, it has come to a boil. I'm going to cover it and put the stove on lowest on simmer and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Once 15 minutes is done, you want to turn off the stove, but don't touch the lid. Let it sit for another 5-10 minutes, and then you can open and just see the rice are done and each grains are separate. As you can see, I just wanted to show you guys, so I didn't wait another 15 minutes, but I just want to show you. As you can see here, the grain is separated and nicely done. So all my rice, bean mixture, and I made guacamole, which is done too. And now let's start assembling our chimichanga. So here I have taken flour tortillas, burrito size. So I just microwave them for like 10-15 seconds, so they are nice, soft and pliable. So we are going to take one tortilla, and onto that I'm just going to put this beans mixture. So this vegetable mixture we have prepared, I'm gonna first layer is this, and then on top of that big spoon of rice. Now you can adjust according to what is your preference. If you like more beans, less rice, just make it however you like. On top of that, cheese, and now simply just to roll it like a burrito. And here is the trick. So just to seal it, what I'm going to do is just going to take a little bit of cheese and put it right on the edge of the tortilla. So once we air fry, it's going to stick and work like a glue. So quickly I'm going to show you the other one. Onto this one, I'm just going to add some jalapeno slice, and everything else is the same. I'm just gonna make it like a burrito, shape it into a burrito, and now we are going to air fry them. So for that, I'm going to apply one layer, thin layer of oil. So this is optional, but I would recommend not to skip this step, as it will give nice color and texture to this chimichangas. So now once it's ready, I'm going to put this into this air fryer basket to cook. So I am going to, every air fryer is different, so I'm going to put this into mine for about 6 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. So I will show you once it's ready. So they are done. I put in them for 400 for 5 minutes. I'll show you how they look. And look at that, it looks nicely golden brown. Now every air fryer is different, so you guys have to figure out the temperature and the timing. So now I'm going to flip it over and apply same thing, oil on the other side. For this time I'm going to put it on 390 for only 2 to 3 minutes, because it's already hot. It will not take longer time to brown on the other side. So in 3 minutes, look at this, guys, they're looking really nicely crisp up. Few more as I made it, they all turn out really good. And I want to cut one and show you from inside. Look at this from inside. Cheese is nicely melted. Everything looks so tempting. So here is my plate. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video.